Here we're gonna unbox and feature the InVamZ shower combo. I'm very excited about this shower head because other than just being a shower with 20 settings, right? It has 20 different settings in terms of pressure and massages. It's also a filter, so it filters chlorine and other harmful substances in the water. 15-stage filter, which is awesome, right? And you want to, when you're watching your health, you want everything to be perfect, and that's water. The water you shower with is not the exception. So let me show you what comes in the box. So this is the oh my god, this is so well made. Let me show you first, right? This is plastic, but this back here is made out of metal. This is what goes, it's easy installation. This is what goes into your shower head when you in your bathroom. It comes with the Teflon tape so that you can seal it real nice. I recommend using this tape. It comes with it already, so it's basically plug and play. It comes with an O-ring so that you can put it in there, right, and seal it real nice. And check out how it looks. Okay. Now, that's because you can have a combination where these little holes that you see right there, right? Those little holes, water comes out of it. So you can have like a cascading effect where you put the shower head here, and plus this, you're gonna have a bunch of like water and spray coming out. It's gonna make it into a nice spa experience at home, right? Now let me show you the shower head. This is a shower head, super made, very sturdy. I wish you could feel that. You see that knob right there? That is the knob that determines the 8 different functions that you can use with just the shower head. So it's gonna have different rhythms, I want to say, right? When you change the settings, it will have different rhythms so that you can have like a nice massage style. Now it has this button here so that you can stop the water and start it, and I'm just showing you around so that you have a look, take a look and see. This is sturdy, but it also looks very nice and luxurious. And what I love the most about this shower head is the fact that it has a 15-stage filter with a bunch of things in there that are going to filter your water from harmful substances, but mostly, which is what I'm most interested in, is filtering it from the excessive chlorine that sometimes comes in this water. It has a 60-inch hose that you'll attach there. Of course, remember to use that Teflon, right? And this is perfect, right? Because once you detach it, then you can use it to, if you have mobility issues, you can, wash your body parts with the hose, right? But also, if you give showers or a bath to your animals in the bathroom, in the bathtub, then this is what you use. You put it there, and then you set up the strength of the water, right? You see it has, you can hear the settings here. You set up the strength of the water. You change how you want the water to come out. So this is how you change it right here. You see? It changes the different settings. There's 8 settings here, okay? And together with the settings here, right? Because then you put this together. You're gonna watch me fail do this. So when you want to put it together, this is up there, right? And then you put it, you go like this, and with the it'll slide right in, and it'll remain snug. This has this action right here. You see that? So then you put it up here, and you go like this, and there you go. So now you have together, all of them together. You chose, right, whatever you want here with this knob, right? And then of course you have The water comes out of here, and out of here. It's gonna be a really nice rain, like a rainfall, a waterfall of water on top where you're gonna be able to relax and have a really, really nice time, a spa experience at home. So, super, super recommended. Thank you for the guys at INAVAMZ for sending this over to me.